dog runs excitedly. Its owner just called, and like always, it comes running right away. But, where did they go? The dog stops, looks left, looks right. No one is there. It tilts its head in confusion. Maybe they are behind the couch, or under the table. It sniffs the floor, searching carefully. Meanwhile, the owner is quietly hiding behind the door, trying not to laugh. The dog keeps looking, walking in circles, still unsure where the voice came from. The dog pauses and looks straight at the camera, as if asking, where did they go? At that moment, the owner peeks out from behind the door and looks directly at the dog. For a second, they just stare at each other. The dog's ears perk up. A small smile appears on the owner's face. Like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.